Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both machines. Confirm they are on the same local network and note each IP address, because Windows uses those to find peers. Next, enable file and printer sharing on the Windows 7 PC and turn on network discovery on Windows 10 so they can see each other. Once done, verify the Windows 7 user has a password. Windows 10 credentials will need it. Make sure Windows Firewall allows file and printer sharing before moving to sharing configuration. Now configure the actual shares. On Windows 7, right-click the folder you want, open Properties and use Advanced Sharing to publish it. Then set permissions so the Windows 10 account can access it. Choose Read or Read/Write according to need, because excessive writes increase risk. On Windows 10, open File Explorer and Map Network Drive, enter \\Windows 7 IP /share, and check Connect using different credentials. When prompted, enter the Windows 7 username and password. This establishes the authenticated session required. Finish by testing the connection. Open the map drive and copy a small file to confirm read and write access. This verifies permissions and connectivity. If you can't connect, first ping the Windows 7 IP to confirm reachability, then check firewall rules and ensure you're not relying on SMB1. Modern Windows uses SMB2 or SMB3. Also run netview \\IP to list shares and clear or update any saved credentials in Credential Manager. One key tip: enable file sharing profiles only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.